Next, we will write code to display customers' reviews for a book in a detail page as per the user interface design here. You see, after the section for the book's information, we have the customer review section that lists all the reviews of the customers for this book. You see, and let's take a closer look at the customers reviews section for a book. You see, each review made by the customer looks like this. There's, there are rating stars appear at the top left corner like this, and next to it is a headline of the review. And on the next line, we display the customer name followed by the date on which he or she wrote the review. And finally, the comment, the content, main content of the review. And note that all the reviews on this page are sorted by date in descending order, meaning that the most recent reviews appear first. And we also need to